Hello everyone, this is Robert again with another video tutorial about our services. Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the different things you can do to configure your proxies. To start, let's go ahead and click on Services here. Then I'm going to select this proxy product here. Everything that you can do with your proxies is in this Actions menu here. You can set auth IPs, you can view your proxies, you can set a username and password, you can configure proxy API access, and you can request a cancellation for the service. So I'm just going to go in order here. First, let's click on auth IPs. Okay, in here. Really straightforward. You can enter one IPv4 address or one IPv6 address per field here, up to 8. I already have one IPv4 address here, as you can see. We're going to go ahead and enter my IPv6 address as well. I'm going to click Save. And after you save, you'll see this message down here that says the changes will take up to 10 minutes to take effect. That just means that after you save an auth IP or username and password, you need to wait up to 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes, but it could be less than 10 minutes for your auth IPs to attach to your proxies. Okay, really simple here. Okay, let's check out the proxy section. In here, you can copy your proxy to clipboard, you can download them as a text file, and you can also refresh your proxies. I'm already finished here, so that's why I'm prompted with a refresh early button. And here you can view your proxies. If you're using an IPv6 first or an IPv4 first proxy, you can view the actual proxy here and then what the proxy is going to be backed up by here. You can view your anonymous types, your city and country locations. There's also a nice little key up here to view proxy IP versions and the different anonymous types. Let's move on. Next up is username and password. Really simple. Set a username and password. Minimum 5 characters. Click Save. Alphanumeric only. And again, 10 minutes to take effect. Okay. Moving on, let's go to Proxy API. A Proxy API is great if you use your proxies with a software application. For example, you can import your proxies directly into the application by using one of these generated URLs with your API key. You can get your proxies in plain text, JSON, proxies with username and password in plain text, and then JSON with username and password as well. You can either just copy this URL here or just go ahead and click the copy button, which I've done here. I can show you. This is plain text. This is how it will look in your plain text URL. So you can feed your proxies directly into your software application, which is very handy. If for any reason you need to change your API key or you need to change the link, this button right here will change that for you. And the API key is this string right here. Okay, so if you look at it, now it's just changed. It just generates a random key for you to access your proxies through our API. You can also request cancellation. Just give it a brief description of why you're canceling, select immediate or end of billing period, and click the request cancellation button. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. For more tutorials, check out our channel.